Abu Dhabi GDP rises 10.5% from Jan to September, and Sharjah to raise $1 billion in a sustainable bond debut. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Abu Dhabi's GDP rose 10.5% in the first 9 months of 2022 to $226 billion, the highest in the MENA. Official data reveals non-oil sectors contributed 50.3% to GDP to reach $113.6 billion during the period. Abu Dhabi's real estate sector saw 20.3% growth year on year. It was on the rise in real estate activities during the period as investors target waterfront and island communities. Sharjah is reportedly set to raise $1 billion from a sale debut of sustainable bonds. Its 9-year bonds are set at a spread of 280 basis points over U.S. Treasuries. It would be the first sustainable sovereign bond in the GCC, which indicates that the proceeds will be used for environmental or social purposes. Sharjah needs about $4.7 billion in financing this year for a $2.3 billion budget deficit. U.S. markets ended higher overnight after stronger than expected retail sales data offered evidence of resilience in the U.S. economy. A Commerce Department report showed retail sales surged 3% in January to $697 billion. It's well past the 1.8% estimate from economists. It's the latest indication of strength in the U.S. economy. It's boosting expectations that the Fed will raise the policy rate at least twice more this year to the 5 to 5.25% range. Meanwhile, European Central Bank Chief Christine Lagarde has reiterated the ECB will raise its interest rates by half a percentage point at its next meeting, even as the Eurozone's economic outlook improves. It would be its 6th increase since July for a total increase of 3.5 percentage points. Data released this week shows the Eurozone dodged a recession at the end of last year by posting weak but positive growth of 0.1%. Inflation has been easing even if it remains at a high 8.5%. Bitcoin traded in the $24,400 range this morning. The world's largest crypto is up about 45.8% from the year's low of $16,496 on January 1st. A decrease in risk aversion is helping to dampen concerns about a crackdown from U.S. regulators. Standard Chartered saw a 28% rise in annual pre-tax profit to $4.3 billion for 2022. It came below the $4.73 billion analysts forecast, but it beat $3.35 billion it made in 2021. The Asia, Africa, and Middle East focused bank raised a key performance metric and announced a new $1 billion share buyback as global interest rate hikes boosted its lending revenue. Its latest share buyback will start immediately. And after Rihanna's Super Bowl halftime show performance over the weekend, her music saw a 211% increase in on-demand streams and a 390% increase in digital song sales. It mirrors a similar post-show jump past performers have seen. Between Saturday and Monday, Rihanna's digital album sales increased 301%. The song Pour It Up saw the largest boost from the performance, up 1,387% in digital song sales. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.